Robopac USA is dedicated to providing superior service and support. We realize that adages like, "It's not just what you buy, but it's who you buy," or "A salesman sells the first machine, but the service department sells the second machine," are more than just old sayings. They are, in fact, the truth. We realize that a satisfied customer is likely to be a repeat customer. That is why Robopac USA has more than tripled the size of our after-sales team. Not only has the number of people increased, but the quality and professionalism of the team has increased as well. The after-sales department has undertaken several initiatives to ensure the best possible customer service experience. For instance, we have separate dedicated service department managers for semi-automatic and automatic systems. Each of these dedicated service managers supervises a team of technicians for each respective machine category. This has improved the customer experience by providing quick and experienced support while reducing customer support response time. In 2024, Robopac USA doubled the size of our Duluth facility. As a result, we were able to increase the size of our troubleshooting and diagnostics, which facilitates quick and accurate resolutions when technical issues arise. The added space also helps accommodate the storage of our large spare parts inventory. Currently, Robopac USA keeps over $2 million in spare parts on the shelf. These parts are automatically managed by a Kanban systems that efficiently monitors parts levels and automatically reorders as levels get low to make sure parts are always available. At Robopac USA, we have 4 dedicated parts specialists with a combined 20 years of experience who act as the first line of defense when it comes to spare parts. The parts team is organized by product group and staffed in such a manner as to cover all of the USA time zones. Sometimes technical issues can't be solved over the phone, and in this case, Robopac can offer a technical service visit. We have a team of 3 service schedulers who monitor our team of 20+ technicians and ensure that we will dispatch a qualified technician who will be able to get your machine back up and running.